C'est une maison bleue, adossée à la colline. On y vient à pied, on ne frappe pas. Ceux qui vivent là ont jeté la clé. On se retrouve ensemble après des années de route et on vient s'asseoir autour du repas. Tout le monde est là à 5 heures du soir. Quand San Francisco s'embrume, quand San Francisco s'allume, San Francisco. Où êtes-vous, Lise des Lucs, Sylvia, attendez-moi. Nageant dans le brouillard, enlacé roulant dans l'herbe, on écoutera Tam à la guitare, fil à la quena jusqu'à la nuit noire. Un autre arrivera pour nous dire des nouvelles d'un qui reviendra dans un an ou deux. Puisqu'il est heureux, on s'endormira. Quand San Francisco se lève, quand San Francisco se lève, San Francisco. Où êtes-vous, Lise des Lucs, Sylvia, attendez-moi. C'est une maison bleue, accrochée à ma mémoire. On y vient à pied, on ne frappe pas. Ceux qui vivent là ont jeté la clé. Peuplée de cheveux longs, de grands lits et de musique, peuplée de lumière et peuplée de fous, elle sera dernière à rester debout. Si San Francisco s'effondre, San Francisco s'effondre, San Francisco. Où êtes-vous, Lise des Lucs, Sylvia, attendez-moi.
Si vous allez à San Francisco, vous y verrez des gens que j'aime bien. Tous les hippies de San Francisco vous donneront tout ce qu'ils ont pour rien. Si vous allez à San Francisco, vous verrez des gens doux et gentils le long des rues de San Francisco.
are dying. Don't you understand? Mañana will be too late. It's now or never. Let's stop the hate. When I first saw you, you were young and tender. Your life before you, no need surrender. Now your life's hanging, 'cause you are gangbanging. Now it is clear, the end is near for you. It's now or never. Stop throwing signs. Don't be a victim. Just use your mind. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. Let's stop the hate. Into her pillow, a mother cries an ocean, 'cause she lost her son, her life's devotion. He wanted respect, a tattoo on his neck. He wanted pride, took a death ride. Adios. It's now or never. You could be raped. Drive-bys and shooting, gangs aren't the way. Mañana will be too late. It's now or never. Let's stop the hate.
All mothers fear that their child could join a gang, or even worse, La M, the Mexican Mafia.
It is the secret fantasy of every vato living in or out of the pachucata to put on the colors and play the myth of the gangbanger. Pues not every vato's fantasy, pero too many. Shh, mija, stop crying. Do the crime, pay your time. Death does not come with salt and lime. So stop the violence, become educated. All celebrity voices are impersonated.
It's now or never. Please, no more games. People are dying. Don't you understand? Mañana will be too late. It's now or never. It's not too late. It's now or never. I just can't wait. It's now or never. Let's stop the
Bonnie was a waitress in a small cafe. Clyde Barrow was the rounder that took her away. They both robbed and killed until both of them died. So goes the legend of Bonnie and Clyde, the poems that she wrote of the life that they led, told of the lawmen left dying or dead. Some say that Clyde made her life a shame, but the legend made Bonnie the head of the game. The rampage grew wilder with each passing day, the odds growing smaller with each getaway. With the end growing closer, the harder they fought. With blood on their hands, they were bound to get caught. They drove back from town on one bright summer day, when a man they befriended stepped out in the way. With no thought of dying, they pulled to the side, but death lay there waiting for Bonnie and Clyde. 2 years of running was ended that day. For robbing and killing they both had to pay. But we'll always remember how they lived and died. So goes the legend of Bonnie and Clyde, Bonnie and Clyde.